With an ever-changing landscape, high-quality track and asset data is fundamental for proactive rail management. Fugro's Track Twin provides you with a detailed digital representation of the railway corridor, replacing on-track inspections and bringing the railway to your office. Our proven monitoring systems collect LiDAR point cloud data, laser scans of the railheads and geo-referenced video to map the millimeter-accurate absolute position of the track and all surrounding elements in the rail corridor. Bringing together track centerline, overhead line equipment, ballast profiles, signalling systems, track interval, clash detection, structure gauging information, and switches and crossings. The digital track twin is accessible via the easy-to-navigate Fugro RailData web portal, integrating 2D and 3D data to present a dynamic 3D baseline model, updated regularly to support change detection and optimize railway operations. Track Twin can be combined with geotechnical, geophysical, and monitoring data and third-party data to offer full data integration and total control. With over 250,000 track kilometers surveyed in the past decade, Fugro is your partner in providing track analytics and early insights, surveying the railway safer, faster, and with no disruption to train services for a safe and livable world.